Generate Style Guide Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘂𝗀𝗀. On the homepage, click Get Started for free at the top right of the screen. Enter your email address, then click the Continue with Email button to proceed. After logging in, click the Design tab at the top of the screen to open the workspace. In the workspace, go to the top left corner of the screen and find the Figma logo. Click the logo, hover over the Plugins section, and then click Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Automatic Style Guides. When the plugin appears, click Run to activate it. Once the plugin is running, select the option Generate Style Guide. After the plugin finishes generating, go to the left side of the screen and click on the Style Guide tab. This will open the full style guide for your current project. You can view colors, fonts, and other design elements automatically compiled from your work. If needed, you can also adjust and customize the style guide within this section to match your projects.